Rewritten script. Every few weeks, conservative lawyer and former GOP staffer Mike Davis pops up in the news for saying some of the most outrageous, bizarre, and downright dangerous things on social media. But this time, it's not just about what he said, it's about who amplified it, because this time Donald Trump himself reposted it on his True Social account. Here's what Davis originally posted. The Supreme Court still has an illegal injunction on the President of the United States preventing him from commanding military operations to expel these foreign terrorists. The President should house these terrorists near the Chevy Chase Country Club with daytime release. Now let's break this down. First off, the Chevy Chase Country Club just so happens to be frequented by Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts and other prominent political figures. So what Davis is really suggesting, let's not sugarcoat this, is if the Supreme Court doesn't give Trump what he wants, maybe we should release so-called terrorists near where these justices hang out. That's not subtle. That's a thinly veiled call to endanger public officials, potentially to incite violence against them. Let's also clear up the legal nonsense here. Supreme Court rulings aren't illegal. That's not how any of this works. If the Supreme Court rules on something, that's the law, whether you like it or not. So maybe do a little homework before posting, Mike. And yes, Donald Trump reposted that. Let that sink in. A former, and possibly future, President of the United States is endorsing a statement that casually suggests endangering Supreme Court justices. Former Obama speechwriter Jon Favreau, not the actor, the political guy, responded by saying, "The president reposts a suggestion from an advisor that he released terrorists near the homes of Supreme Court justices who've merely ruled that the government can't send people to a foreign gulag without due process." To which Mike Davis replied, doubling down unbelievably, "Yes, we should send these Maryland fathers where they will feel safe and protected. Wealthy, white, liberal enclaves like Chevy Chase and Martha's Vineyard, instead of working-class minority neighborhoods like Aurora. Then let's see how much due process you liberals want." So let's be clear again. The entire argument here seems to be that due process should depend on zip code and political affiliation. That if liberals had to live near these detainees, they'd suddenly stop caring about constitutional rights. But here's the thing, we do care about due process. That's the point. No one's saying these people are saints. We're just saying the Constitution guarantees every person a fair hearing in court. That's not radical. That's foundational. If you've got a problem with that, you have